they fighting over there? Probably a penalty. They wasn't, like I told you, he just be lingering around. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. They all right. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them, man. They don't mean no harm. You got it? Man, I told you he just sits there. He don't even move a lot of movement. He just walks around like this the whole time. And then when the opportunity comes, he be like, oh. You know who Messi play like? He play like Chunks. That's how Chunks play. When y'all be playing with the
balls and stuff.
With the whatever that thing called. That's how Chunks just stick around.